Here we started the program by including the IOStream type, and then we have written the using namespace std, that because standard namespace contains the IOStream type. And then we are writing a class or declaring a class where we are having the data members ID and name of type int and string respectively. And these data members are declared as private in the class A. Whatever members are private, whichever members are declared as private in the class, they can be used only in that class in which it is declared. It cannot be used by other classes. So in case if you want to use the private members in other classes, then those classes must be declared as friend for the class in which the private members are present. So as you can see, the last two lines of this class, we are writing friend class B. This statement makes the class B as friend of class A. Similarly, we are having the next line as friend keyword followed by void display2. So this void display2 is a function in this program which is declared as friend for the class A. So in this manner, we are declaring class B and display2 function as friend for this class. So now let's see how we are using the private member of class A in class B and display2 function. So now we are having another class in the program as class B, in which we are having a function, a member function as display, which is declared as public. So in this member function display, we are creating object of class A, and then using this object, we are accessing the private member of class A. Similarly, there is another function display2, which is not a member of any class, but it is written without any class here. So this display2 is a function, not a member function, but function. And here we are creating object of A again, and using the object of A, we are accessing the name data member of class A, which is again private. Now, next is the main function in which we have created the B class object, and B class display is called here. And then we are calling the function display2, which is not a member of any class. So now I'm compiling the program. When I compile the program, if any errors, then they are displayed in compile log. If not, then we get 0 errors or warnings, and then we can run the program. So when I run the program, we are getting the output as 90 and RAM, which is nothing but ID and name displayed. So ID value we are displaying from class B, which is a friend class of A. And then name value we are displaying from display2 function, which is a friend function of class A. So this way, the friend function and class can access the private members and protected members of the class in which or for which they are declared as friends.